Okay, so I'm trying to update my charts from my computer, and I tried standalone. I guess I can show you that. When I launch chart installer, I get this. If I drag it over and run this, you'll see it come up in the background. Maybe not here. Yeah, there it goes. It's trying to It's trying to do the login now, but it's just failing. When I launch it from the browser interface, so here I'm on the site, and if I go here and go to launch it from here, it finds the app just fine, and then connection failed. So I was getting through this way, but now it's just taking me to that screen. That's weird, because before I did this, it was taking me to the chart itself in the interface, and you could see the information there. Oh, no, that's interesting. Maybe that's all it took to get this to work. Wouldn't that be something special? Okay, we're hoping. Nope, there we go, we're back to that. So log me in, there's my card, and it goes away. So I don't know what's going on here. Of course I thought, antivirus, so I went ahead and shut off all my antivirus protection. Everything is disabled. It'll take a minute for that to pop up, but you can see the little red triangle there because everything's disabled. It says right there, protection disabled. Yep, because everything's shut off. So don't know what's going on here, guys, but I can't get my charts updated, and this is a real problem.